Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone user facing an issue, that is, while using Instagram, they can now tag people on Instagram image on iPhone. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Update Instagram app. To update Instagram app, tap and hold App Store and tap Updates. Now check the list. Is there is update available for Instagram? Then tap Update. Solution number 2. After update, restart iPhone. To restart iPhone, go to Settings, tap General, tap Shutdown, drag the slider to power off. Wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on your iPhone. Solution number 3. Delete and reinstall Instagram. To do this, tap and hold Instagram, then tap Remove App. After removing the app, go back to App Store and re-download Instagram. Now we go for solution number 4. Update iOS. To update iOS, go to Settings, tap General, tap Software Update, and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 5. Reset network settings. Launch Settings. Tap General. Tap Reset and tap Reset network settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again Reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.